What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is TishaTheBrave. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing okay. So today I'm here to talk about the full moon eclipse in Sagittarius and what that means for all of us. So whenever there is a full moon eclipse, it basically means that a lot of our shadow aspects that were in our subconscious are coming up to the forefront. We have to face some of these things. It's basically there for transformational purposes. But because this is a full moon eclipse, I would ask you to tread carefully on some of the action that you're about to take, because this is also a time where you have to reflect on the things that are coming up to the forefront. A lot of us grew up in religious homes or even cultural homes where we had to do certain things according to our traditions and our beliefs. The Sagittarius is a free-spirited, free-minded person and is a fearless person, likes to go out and travel by themselves, but they're also a very educational person. They like to learn from different cultures. This is why a lot of Sagittariuses are spiritual or religious people, and they always tend to go wherever they are divinely guided, if they're not using their shadow aspect of escapism. So let's take the spirit of the Sagittarius, but instead of using some of the shadow aspects that could be potentially escapism, let's think about how we can use our shadow aspects to navigate ourselves through the divine. Some of the things that we do on a regular basis is we allow doctrine to dictate our lives. I grew up in a very denominated Christian household, and throughout the years I was, I didn't do certain things, or I didn't do certain things, and I didn't do certain things because doctrine dictated me. Do you understand? And I'm not trying to tell you to not believe what you grew up believing. I'm not telling you to believe whatever it is that you want to believe. But what I'm trying to say is, when you have an actual relationship with the creator, whoever that is to you, you end up actually having a life where it's a lot more fulfilled when you actually listen to the messages that creator has to give to you, or your intuition, or whatever it is you're being guided by, and you end up being like a high vibrational Sagittarius. Which is why the message today is to stop thinking and allow yourself to be divinely guided. Stop thinking and allow truth to guide you. Stop thinking and allow the creator to guide you. Stop thinking and allow the divine to guide you. Whatever it is that you feel comfortable saying, stop thinking, but allow the creator to guide you in the way that you are supposed to go. I have never been more fulfilled being the way that I am now. In the comment section down below, let me know how you feel about this message, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.